This is Arkneil Gaming and we'll be getting a Naruto skin in Mobile Legends. And we have 1,194 coin of flame. I hope that Moonton does not give me 5 tokens or I'll be very mad. So let's draw. And 8. Nice. And let's get this daily price. So we got 1,202 and we'll be getting Julian skin, Itachi. Hey, what's this? Oh, you get a free custom action. Okay. Inside my Julian main, let's get Itachi Julian. Very awesome skin. Oh, this is the first time I'm seeing this. Katon, Blazing Fireball technique. So we're going to use this in our ranked games. 744 skin. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.